Welcome to a journey through the picturesque landscapes and vibrant cities of Sweden, a Scandinavian gem known for its natural beauty, rich history, and unique culture. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this stunning Nordic destination, showcasing the best experiences, places to visit, and hidden gems that await you on your vacation in Sweden. Our journey begins in the capital city, Stockholm, where modernity meets tradition in perfect harmony. Nestled across 14 islands, this city is a true Nordic gem. Let's start our adventure in the heart of it all, Gamla Stan. Gamla Stan, or the Old Town, is a historic treasure trove, boasting cobbled streets, colorful buildings, and enchanting alleyways. As you stroll through its winding paths, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Make sure to visit the Royal Palace, one of Europe's largest, where you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony and explore the opulent staterooms. For history buffs, the Vasa Museum is a must-visit. It houses the incredibly well-preserved Vasa ship, which sank in 1628 and was salvaged centuries later. It's a fascinating glimpse into Sweden's maritime history. To experience Sweden's rich cultural heritage, head to Skansen, the world's first open-air museum. Here, you'll find traditional buildings, folkloric performances, and even a zoo showcasing Scandinavian wildlife. Stockholm's archipelago, with its 30,000 islands, offers a unique adventure. Take a cruise to explore the serene waters, visit charming fishing villages, and enjoy the tranquility of this natural wonder. No trip to Sweden is complete without savoring its delectable cuisine. Try Swedish meatballs, herring, and the iconic cinnamon buns. And don't forget to indulge in a traditional fika, a coffee break with sweet treats. Now, let's journey to Gotland, an island in the Baltic Sea known for its medieval charm. Explore the well-preserved town of Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its impressive city wall. Beyond its historic sites, Gotland boasts stunning natural beauty. Visit the dramatic limestone formations at Faro, relax on pristine beaches, or take a hike through lush forests. As we move north, we find ourselves in Lapland, a winter wonderland. In the colder months, this is the place to witness the enchanting northern lights, go dog sledding, and meet the indigenous Sami people. For an unforgettable experience, stay at the Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. Each year, this remarkable hotel is constructed entirely from ice and snow, offering a surreal and cozy stay under the northern lights. Sweden is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the pristine wilderness of the Swedish Lapland, go hiking in the Kungsleden Trail, or kayak in the crystal-clear lakes of the Swedish countryside. Our next stop is Gothenburg, Sweden's second-largest city, known for its friendly atmosphere and beautiful coastal setting. Make sure to visit Liseberg Amusement Park, where you can experience thrilling rides, world-class entertainment, and vibrant gardens. For a fun and educational experience, the Universium Science Center is a great choice. It offers interactive exhibits on topics ranging from space to the rainforest. Sweden is renowned for its design and fashion. Explore the boutiques and shops in Gothenburg, and don't miss a visit to the Design Museum. Our final destination is Malmö, a city connected to Copenhagen by the iconic Öresund Bridge. While in Malmö, admire the turning torso skyscraper, a breathtaking piece of modern architecture that twists gracefully into the sky. Explore Malmöhus Castle, which houses a museum showcasing the city's history, as well as an aquarium and beautiful gardens. Sweden, with its captivating cities, stunning natural landscapes, and rich culture, offers a vacation experience like no other. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking adventure, Sweden has something to offer everyone. So, start planning your Swedish adventure today and immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of this Scandinavian treasure. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Sweden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow travelers. And as always, may your next vacation be filled with unforgettable memories and incredible experiences. See you on your next adventure.